to sort your everyday laundry into dark and light colors. First, bring the pile of dirty laundry that needs to be sorted. Your work area can be a table or the floor. You will sort the clothes into two piles, dark colors and light colors. Use a laundry color chart for reference if needed. Black jeans goes into the dark clothes pile. Dark blue jeans also goes with the dark colors. Cream tones and pastels go into the light clothes pile. Deep colors like navy blue go with the dark colors pile. Everyday white clothes can be washed with light clothes pile. Bright colors go into the dark color pile. Don't forget to sort your socks. Khaki clothes go with the light colors. Black clothes go into the dark clothes pile. Once everything is sorted, you can use the laundry color chart to check your work while you put the clothes away. Bright colors, black socks, black clothes, deep tones like navy blue, black jeans, and dark blue jeans all can be washed together. On the next pile, your everyday white clothes. Pastel tones like light yellow. Creams or beige, khaki color, and your socks can be washed together as well. Good job sorting your everyday laundry. And now, to download a free laundry color chart, just go to our website under Resources and find the button for our Teachers Pay Teachers page. Don't forget to subscribe.